What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike outlet find. This right here, it's a pair of women's shoes. Nike Air Max Thea Mid. Really a very cool sneaker if you ask me. This is like an all leather Air Max boot. Very comfortable sole, I've heard. I haven't put them on myself, but I've heard good things. Incredible silhouette. Very nice pair of shoes. Let's check out how they look on foot. There are some StockX affiliate marketing links to get another color of these, I think, on StockX. And an affiliate marketing link for joggers in the description. Pretty nice shoe right here. Check out the links in the description if you want to do some shopping. Let's see how it looks on foot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This was a $60 shoe. As you can see right here, $100 price tag. I got it during Boxing Day, which made these 60 bucks. Pretty incredible deal if you ask me. Thanks for watching the video. Let's check out how they look on foot. Goodbye.